Good morning. Myself Prahlad Badkar. Today I will go to the news, that is a topic Coriolis component of the acceleration. In previous video I derived the equation for the Coriolis component of the acceleration. Today I will explain the sense and direction of the Coriolis component. Today I will explain the sense and direction of the Coriolis component. Listen, I will explain that this figure what the things. In this case I have taken as a three links: link 1, link 2, link 3. Link 1 is a fixed, link 2 is a slider, that is a lever, slotted lever. Link 3 is a nothing but a slider only. Okay, then omega is the angular velocity, that is a radian per second. V is the linear velocity of the slider, that is a link 3. At the same time, B and C are the coincident point. B and C are the coincident point. B is on the slider, C is on the lever, that is a link 2. Okay, then what the things? The tangential component of acceleration of the slider B, means slider B is this one, with respect to coincident point C, that is a B and C are the coincident point only, but in this figure I have written separately here, but B and C should be here only. Okay, B is a point of this slider, C is a point of the link 2. The coincident point C on the link is known as Coriolis component of the acceleration. Coriolis component is always perpendicular to the link. What the thing that I have drawn here also, this one figure, that is the Coriolis component of B with respect to C, that is a slider. B is a point on the slider, C is a point on the link 2, but both should be coincident point, that is a BC. Okay, that is a Coriolis component magnitude is, that is a Coriolis component of the acceleration of a B with respect to C is a Coriolis component of a acceleration of B with respect to C is a 2 into V into omega. V is a linear velocity, omega is a radian per second. What the things I have said here also, omega is the angular velocity of the link OA, means link OA I have taken this one. Link OA, that is a link OA means that is a link 2 only. Then V is the velocity of the slider B with respect to coincident point C. I have taken as a velocity with respect to point C. Then what in order to determine the Coriolis component, you have to find the vector diagram is comes as in this way. Vector diagram is that is acceleration. Vector diagram it comes as acceleration of B with respect to O, means I will go for the acceleration of the B with respect to O, means slider with respect to fixed point, that is equal to the relative velocity between the B and C. That is a relative velocity, that is acceleration between B and C, that is a BC. Then one more thing, that is a acceleration of C with respect to fixed point O. Okay, in order to go for the acceleration diagram, it comes as a vector diagram as acceleration of this diagram, this diagram. Then what the things, you look at this one, acceleration of C with respect to O, we can find easily, that is a simple one, as usual you are finding. If you consider this is a point C, I have taken as a skeleton diagram here, that is a point C here, then fixed point is O. In that case, this is a fixed point, this is a rotating with the angular velocity omega. In that case, automatically you will find the two component, one is a tangential component, one is a radial component. Tangential component is, it is a perpendicular to radial component. As usual you can find it, that is a acceleration of CO equal to, that is a acceleration of CO, that is a radial, plus acceleration of, that is a tangential acceleration of CO. We can find it as usual as a previous method, but this is important, this part is important. This is a acceleration of B with respect to C, means between these 2 points, because B and C are the incident. B is, in that case, it velocity is a V, it moves outward, at the same time it is a rotating with the angular velocity omega, that is a radian per second. Okay, in that case we have to go for this is second one, that is a acceleration of BC equal to Acceleration of BC, that is a slider. This is nothing but a Coriolis component. You have to add it. That is a acceleration of BC with the Coriolis component. That is the thing. One more thing, Coriolis component is always perpendicular to the link. That is the link OA. If you consider this is OA, that is always perpendicular to OA. That is a OA. That is at the point C is there, means it is a perpendicular exactly 90 degree. Either it may be left or right. In order to determine the left and right, that concept is, that is a sense of direction comes into picture. That is a sense of direction depends upon the two parameters. One is, that is the velocity of the slider V. One more, that is a component is, that is angular velocity of the slotted lever. Okay, that is the sense or direction of the Coriolis component depend upon the two parameters. One is the velocity of the slider, one more, that is angular velocity of the slotted lever. That is the link to. Okay, can you find it here? That is a depend upon the two parameters, that is a V, then omega. V is a, that is a meter per second, you have to remember it. Omega is a radian per second, two parameters. Because you look at the formula, the Coriolis component is a depend on the two parameters, that is a V and omega. Okay, then I'll come to the direction. Look at this one. I have taken as a 4 cases. That is a case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. I have taken as a 4 cases. Look at this one. The slider velocity. First I will come to the velocity of the slider V. Okay, in that case, look at this one. That is a vertical, that is a Y, that is a Y coordinate. This is upward direction I have taken as a positive. Downward direction I have taken as a negative. Okay, then one more parameter, that is the omega. Can you find it? Omega. In that case, angular velocity, that is a radian per second. I will take it as a clockwise as a positive, anti-clockwise as a negative. Can you find it here? Clockwise as a positive, anti-clockwise as a negative. Depend upon these one, we have to determine the direction of the Coriolis component. Okay, then look at this one. Initially, I will take it as a positive as a, this is, that is a vertical means I will take it as a positive. Okay, downward as a negative, clockwise as a positive, anti-clockwise as a negative for the omega. Can you find it? Okay, this is for the V. Then I will come to this one. First I will take it as a, this concept. Now vertical is, you take it as a positive. I have taken as a positive. Downward is, this is a clockwise, you take it as a positive. Here also I will take it as a vertical as a positive. That is anti-clockwise as a negative. Third case, you take it as a downward direction. Velocity, linear velocity, you have to take it as a negative because it is a downward, same as the direction. Then anti-clockwise, that is a clockwise as a positive. Then once again, this is the downward direction, you have to take it as a negative. That is a anti-clockwise, you have to take it as a negative. Then one more simple concept, how to determine the direction. That is a, you have to take it as a positive or negative. That is the direction is a left or right. For this, you have to remember this also. This is a simple concept. As usual, is you have to following in algebra cases. Plus and plus, it comes as a plus. Plus minus into it comes as a minus. Minus plus it comes as a minus into plus it comes as a minus. Minus minus it comes as a plus. This is algebraic multiplication. You have to use that concept. And when it is plus means you have to take it as a right hand side with respect to, that is a link. When it is a comes as a left, you have to take it as a negative. You come to the first one, case 1. Case 1 is what? This is a positive. Positive means it comes as a positive only. This is a positive direction. Coriolis component comes as a positive direction. You have to take it as a this way. When it comes as a positive negative, the direction is positive into negative. It comes as a negative. That is a negative direction. Is a, this is the left of the link OA. Then third case, this is what? This is a negative. Velocity is a negative. That is a angular velocity is a positive. Plus sign negative. This is a sign is a negative. This is a positive. This comes as a negative. Negative means that is a Coriolis component towards the left. Okay, can you get it? Then come to the fourth one. This is a velocity is a negative. That is angular velocity is also negative. Then minus minus it comes as a plus. Plus means that is the right hand side you have to take it. That Coriolis component is a positive. Then last bit, This is also important. That is when it is a Coriolis component will not be there. Means no Coriolis component will not present. In that case means if you consider I have taken as a link OA. Here also I have taken as a link OA. This is a slider. Okay. This is a, look at this one. Slider, it is having a linear velocity, that is V, that is a meter per second. But there is a no angular velocity. For this link, if you consider as a link 1, this is a link 2, this is a link 3. For the link 2, there is a no angular velocity. Then there will not be Coriolis component. Okay, there will not be Coriolis component. There will not be there. In second case, look at this one. In that case, there is no velocity. Means it is not there. This is a cancel, means this is a, I have taken as a multiplication sign, means linear velocity is not there. But angular velocity is there. In this case also you will not find the Coriolis component. Okay. In that case also you will not find the Coriolis component. Coriolis component will be there when it is a V and omega. Both should be there. V should be there, that is the linear velocity of the slider should be there, and at the same time that is the angular velocity of the link should be there. Then only that is a corresponding link should be there. Then only you can find the Coriolis component. Okay. Otherwise, that is as usual you have to find the simple acceleration problem. Okay. Can you find it? Okay. I have explained this one, Coriolis component of the acceleration. Okay. Then I will explain the direction, which direction you have to take it as a negative or positive. That is this side as a positive, this side as a negative you have to take it. That is with respect to link 2. Okay, I explained here. Yeah, I have taken as a 4 cases. That is a case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. I have taken as a velocity vertical as a positive, downward as a negative. Angular velocity omega as a clockwise as a positive, anti-clockwise as a negative. And once again, this for the how to determine the Coriolis component, it is a positive direction or negative direction. In that case, I have applied a simple algebraic method. Plus plus it comes as a plus, plus negative it comes as in this way. When it will not be there, Coriolis component, when it will not be there means when it is a y, either V should not, V and omega 1 is absent, means it is not there, means will not find the Coriolis component. Okay, I stop here only.